I found that photo in the sofa, and it's from way back in '01. So I guess there's much I never told you, like who I am, who I love, where I've been and where I came from. Grew up on 913 of Blue Rock, memories of 6 kids running around those halls. Then out in the California sunshine, we wore no shoes through alley-oops and shattered windows throwing baseballs. Mom packed me a brown bag every day, from 5 years old up to 18. A note that said I love you XO, and all my friends they're begging me, making bids on mom's cookies. And I quit playing ball at age 15, traded my new bat for an old guitar. It broke, that's hard, but he still loved me, and he was there at every show. No more jersey, just tuxedos.
What makes someone know where to go when she walks with no aim? I've traveled, learned, I've loved and I've lost, yet still I am the same. I passed an empty chapel, I was far from the warm glow inside. I don't believe in any religion, but the emptiness made me cry. If I could just get some inspiration and enter through my transformation, then every little thing in my life would be so beautiful and I'd be satisfied. No one should have to feel this way, yet I know a million do. Just to float with no answer why, and to live what isn't true. I pass this way 1,000 times, but I'm never ever sad, just here. time is dear. I pass this way 1,000 times, but I've never ever sat us here. I know there's something out there for me, baby, and I know my time is oh so dear. I pass an empty chapel. I was far from the warm glow inside. I don't believe in any religion, but the emptiness made me cry. If I could just get some inspiration and enter through my transformation, then every little thing in my life would be so beautiful, then I'd be satisfied. If I could just get some inspiration and enter through my transformation.
It's been a few months, I think or so, since we decided to let things go. Been hard on my heart, 'cause I second guess every decision. I guess I regret not giving it more time to see if it was all just in my mind. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe it was meant to be you all along. Maybe I was so afraid of being strong that I held on to my weakness for too long. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe I was wrong. Been meeting new friends, catching up with old, but I think about them in a different way. Cause you're not who I'm telling them about. They ask if I'm with or without. Yeah, I just want to be sure that I don't want you anymore. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe it was meant to be you all along. Maybe I was so afraid of being strong that I held on to my weakness.
게으름뱅이 필수. 출퇴근 1초의 신고 버튼. 원터에 5,000개의 독후가 있으며
Golden days drifting far away. Light is leaving town. Colors fade, but I'm thinking we stay just for a little while. Let's lose track of time. Darling, stay for a little longer while I hold your time. We'll wait, so just rest your head upon my shoulder. Nothing in our way. It's colder, but the day's not over yet. Summer nights, watch them go by as we fight off the cold.